Activate voice. That's really fast. Centerline on. Next.
It makes an easy to use machine even easier.
This is perfect.
Fujifilm Sonosite Voice Assist. Redefining ease of use.
You can imagine this like even enabling a more hands-free kind of sterile environment.
All the time I got sterile gloves on both hands, so I have no ability to do this without an assistant there.
It actually frees up a lot of things. Color off, centerline on. Whoa, okay. That's super responsive.
I've got a ventilator, I've got a dialysis unit, sometimes I have an ECMO machine, and trying to figure out where I put this is basically, it's the last thing in the room, so it's going wherever there's space for it.
This could be further away and you could still have pretty good control. And so that way you get more access to the patient and still have total control of your ultrasound. I think that's really cool.
Reduced depth. Perfect. I think this is so clearly something that we need. If I'm already turning off my lights at home and turning on my oven with my voice commands, it should be expected that we'd be able to do the same thing with medical devices.
It's surprisingly fast and responsive. Sometimes voice activation like complicates things, but I feel like this one simplifies it.
You can't do your job without an ultrasound that works. This is the one that just keeps working and working and working day after day, year after year.
Let's just play around with it. Activate voice, centerline off, color on. Yeah, you know, this is cool. And then like I would imagine, yeah, this works exactly like I would expect it to. So that's Sonosite right there.
With Voice Assist, focus on what matters most. Your patient's care.
When you think of like voice activation, you want it to be super responsive and super reliable. That's what this is.